So today we are going to see the tricep brachii muscle, which is the muscle of the posterior compartment of the arm. The tricep brachii muscle is made up of three heads: the long head, lateral head, and the medial head. Here we are going to see the origin and insertion of all the three heads. So first head, that is long head, arises from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula, which is present below the glenoid cavity. The second head, that is lateral head, arises from the upper part of the oblique ridge. This is oblique ridge, upper part of the oblique ridge on the posterior side of humerus. The third is that is medial head, arises from the posterior part of lower triangular area on the posterior surface of humerus. The tendon of long head and the lateral head come together, and the partially the medial head come together and get inserted into the posterior part of the superior surface of olecranon process, which is the part of the ulna bone. And the nerve supply of all the three heads is radial nerve, and the action of the tricep brachii muscle, which is present posteriorly. So the main action is extension of the elbow. That is basically extension of the elbow.
So today we are explaining the tricep brachii muscle. Tricep brachii muscle is having three heads. This is the long head of tricep brachii. This is the lateral head of tricep brachii. This is the medial head of tricep brachii. The long head of tricep brachii having the origin from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. The lateral head of tricep brachii having the origin from the oblique ridge of the humerus, and the medial head of the tricep brachii having the origin from the lower triangular space below the oblique ridge of the humerus. The long head and the lateral head forms a tendon which is inserted on a olecranon process. Tendon which is formed by a long head and lateral head and partly inserted on a olecranon process.
Start. The nerve supplying the extensor compartment of the arm, that is the tricep brachii muscle, is the radial nerve. It is a part of the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. It passes from the axilla down to the lower triangular space of the scapula. Over here, it supplies the long head of the tricep brachii muscle along with the medial head. It then traverses from the spinal groove to supply the lateral head along with the medial head. Compression of the radial nerve in the axilla can cause crush palsy. That means there is a total damage to the radial nerve, and it causes flexion of the elbow along with the wrist drop and finger drop. Whereas compression of the radial nerve in the spinal groove can cause adrenaline palsy, where weak extension is seen. Since total damage of radial nerve is not observed, as the nerve supplied to the long head of the triceps is still intact. Therefore, there is weak extension. Thank you.